इन्स्क्राइब अँगल थेरम. या थेरममध्ये आपल्याला असं दिलेलं आहे अँगल BAC इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ द मेजर ऑफ द आर्क BDC. Statement of the theorem is the measure of an inscribed angle. The measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc intercepted by it. स्टेटमेंट काय जे काही इन्स्क्राइब अँगलचे मेजर आहे ते काय असणार आहे त्याने जे काही आर्क इंटरसेप्टेड केले आहे त्या आर्कचं काय असणार ते हाफ त्याचे मेजरमेंट असणार आहे. Given that in a circle with center O, angle BAC is inscribed in the arc BAC. Angle BAC is inscribed in the arc BAC and arc BDC is intercepted by the angle BAC. या BAC मध्ये कोणता अँगल आहे BDC हे आर्क मध्ये इंटरसेप्टेड आहे. Now to prove that measure of the angle BAC is half the measure of the arc BDC, we have done some construction over here. There are some draw ray OA. It intersects the circle at point E. So we have extended AO at point E as well as we have drawn two radius OC and OB. Now here are two triangles. We got two triangles, triangle OAC and triangle OAB. So these are the two triangles. In first triangle AOC, side OA is congruent with side OC. Observe the given diagram. OA is congruent with OC. But from the circle's observation, we can see that these two are the radius of the circle. Therefore, OA and OC are the radius of the circle. Then in triangle AOC, which type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. So we know the property of isosceles triangle. If the sides are congruent, then the angles opposite to congruent side are also congruent. Therefore, angle OAC and angle OCA are congruent by the theorem of an isosceles triangle. So we have put some variable for the given two triangles, that is x. So angle AOC is equals to angle OCA is equals to x degree. So we have taken some variable for the given angles. Now angle EOC is the exterior angle of triangle AOC. By the property of exterior angle, we also know the property of exterior angle. The measure of exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measure of two remote interior angles. So therefore, angle EOC is equals to angle AOC plus angle OCA. We have replaced the measure of the given angle by x degree. So x plus x is equals to 2x degree. Now we also see that EOC is also central angle. This is the exterior angle for given triangle, but from the given diagram we see that the angle EOC is a central angle. Therefore, measure of arc AC is equal to the measure of central angle. So here measure of arc is equals to measure of angle EOC, that is 2x degree. Now angle OAC and angle EAC. So measure of the given two angles, angle x degree. So measure of this angle is nothing but half of the given arc. Angle OAC is equal to angle AAC is half of the measure arc AC from equation number first and second. So from this first equation and second equation, measure of angle EAC or OAC is equal to half of the measure arc AC. Similarly, in triangle triangle OAB. Again, this triangle is isosceles triangle. So by the property of exterior angle, the measure of the given exterior angle EOB is equals to sum of the given two remote interior angles. So skipping all the given steps, we can also state that angle EAB. So this angle EAB or angle OBA is nothing but half of the measure arc BE. Now observe the given diagram. The sum of these given two angles, EAC plus angle EAB is equals to, adding equation like from adding these two equations, so it will be half of the measure arc AC plus half of the measure arc B. From equation number 2 and 3 we can state that. So and from the given diagram, EAC plus EAB is equals to the given angle BAC. If we add these two angles, it will be the sum of the bigger angle, that is angle BAC, as well as if we add the given two arcs, arc EC and arc B, it will be arc BEC. but it can be also named as arc BDC. Therefore, angle BAC is equals to half measure of the arc AC plus measure of the arc BE. Adding this to arc, we get the measure of the arc BEC. And from the given diagram, arc BEC is nothing but arc BDC. So this is the inscribed angle theorem, that the measure of the inscribed angle is half of the arc intercepted by it. So this is the inscribed angle theorem. आता या theorem मध्ये तुम्हाला